Hi everyone, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and I don't know about you, but I am over the winter. I'm over the cold, and so I have this desert-inspired shadow box, and in this video I will show you step by step how you can dream of warmer and sunnier days by creating this box. To begin, you are going to take out the back of the shadow box. And you are then going to cut your cactus paper to the size of the back of the shadow box. The exact dimensions that you will need to cut the paper is 8 inches by 6 inches. Next, you will take your Just Go With It paper. It should have all of the little cards on it, and you will cut out the little saying that says "Into the Desert." Next, you will cut out the cream card that says "The Little Details." Take your wallet-sized picture and trim it up a little bit so that it's about 3 inches tall. Glue your wallet-sized picture to the cream card and make sure you cover up the words, and then trim up the background so that it is just a small mat behind your photo. Take your little piece of paper that says "Into the Desert" and glue it into the top left corner on top of your picture, and it should hang off a little bit to the left. Cut out another one of those cards. This one has a really fun bohemian pattern. And then take your second wallet-sized picture and glue it to the card, and then trim it up to create a small mat behind your picture. Attach both of your matted photos to the clothespins in the shadow box. Add some sand, and I also thought too it might be a fun way to incorporate some sand from a special trip you went on. Otherwise, you can use our regular sand at the store. And then just add the back of your shadow box. Flip your shadow box over. And I'm actually going to put a piece of paper on top just so you guys aren't seeing that glare as you watch this. And then next you are going to start laying out your wood buttons and just laying them out how you want them to be glued onto the frame. Once you have your wood buttons laid out as you want them, you then can take that E6000 and start gluing the buttons to the frame. And then once you have glued on all of those wood buttons, you will just set it aside to dry, and then it's ready to display. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies at shop.craftsdirect.com.